Hughes Dry, better than wetter. Most traditional carpet cleaning is done with hot water. However, nearly 85% of what's in the carpet is a dried soil. Thus, when water is added, a mud slurry is formed and two problems result. 1. Gravity pulls the mud mixture down to the base of the carpet. 2. The mud mixture gets absorbed in the fibers. Because of those problems, most carpet cleaning companies are only extracting up to 65% of water they put in. So over 35% remains, and carpets can become soggy and smell. Hughes Dry is different. We get the dirt out when it's dry with a powerful vacuum. Then we apply miniature organic sponges. The sponges are worked through the carpet yarns. The sponges dissolve, trap, and absorb spots, soils, and dirt. With a flip of a switch, we vacuum out the sponges and the carpets are now clean, fresh, and ready for immediate use. Hughes Dry, better than wetter. Call today and see why we are the preferred choice for carpet care. 678-494-4884. For more information, visit our website at hughesdry.com.